Does your life feels like it belongs to everyone but you? We say yes to appease others and maybe to avoid conflict, and no only when we are drained or at our breaking point. Well, it's time to take your life back by letting your yes be yes and your no be no and start living intentionally. Ready? Hi, my name is Vani. Welcome back to my channel, Healthy Done My Way. Today, we're talking about moving from living for others to intentional living. We are reclaiming the wisdom of, like I stated before, letting your yes be yes and your no be no. Got that? Okay. Let's start with the cost of a big yes. Every time we say yes when we really mean no, we create a debt only our peace pays for. We show up physically, but not in spirit. And that's where the resentment, bitterness take root. A yes without good intention isn't kindness, actually, it's self deception. It really is. Okay, so now let's talk about the power of a clean no. I am talking about a firm, clear no. And get this, saying no isn't harsh. It's an act of kindness for all involved. It really is. It's not wrapped in excuses or padded with apologies. It's as simple as saying, I am not able to commit to that at the moment. See that? So when you let your no be no, you stop leaking energy. You end that inner tug of war that comes from saying yes when you really mean no. So every no you give to others becomes a yes you say for your peace, your family, and your health. It really is something that we need to think about. When you live with intentionality, your yes isn't casual, it's sacred. It says, I'm fully present, I'm committed, and I have the grace and the capacity for this. You are genuinely and authentically there. You are not smiling through a frown. No, ma'am. People notice the difference, and you will notice the difference too in your energy, the excitement, just a gamut of things. You see, there's strength in being known as someone whose yes carries weight. It creates trust with others. But even more importantly, it rebuilds trust within yourself. And that's the moment you stop reacting to life's demand and start responding from a place of peace, purpose, and alignment. And that's worth it. I just want you to remember this. Just because someone feels disappointed or may feel a little hurt does not mean that you did something wrong. It doesn't mean that. You are protecting your time, your health, and your peace, which, as a matter of fact, is not selfish. Okay? Please know that it's not selfish. So, I want you to do this. Start with something simple when you practice in saying no. But I normally start with myself. I just start with saying no to certain things I want to do over. I say no to certain things that I want to do because I know I need to do something else. So start with yourself or start with someone you feel more comfortable with. Start there. But either way it goes, you have to start. Okay? And you can say no in a healthy, loving, caring way, in a calm, even tone, kind manner. You can do this. And we always do health our way. And we're going to say no in a healthy way. Okay? So are you ready? Let me know in the description below where you're going to start. Are you going to start on yourself? Are you going to start with someone else or with a stranger? Let me know in the comment below. And I thank you for listening. I know this was a very brief video, but I just wanted to jump in here and just say that to you all and let you know that your health is important. And saying yes to things that doesn't line up with your values, just not worth it. And get this, don't think that you can never say yes, because you can. It's just that be aware of what you're saying yes to. For instance, if you value your time, well, think about this. You're exhausted and you need time to rest. And a friend asks you, hey, come on, let's go out and have dinner tonight. And you can politely say, you know what, that sounds wonderful. And I will enjoy doing that, but I am really exhausted and I need some time to rest. That's it. And that friend, if that friend can understand, then they will accept it. But if not, that's okay too, because you have to take care of you. Okay? But remember, do it in a kind, caring, calm tone. Right? Okay, that's enough. So get out there, start practicing, and let me know how you make out. Because remember, we're going to say no our way, and that's the healthy way. Okay, that's enough. Talk to you later. Bye.